Hey everyone, I'm Julia, and in this video, I'll show you how to delete your retweets on Twitter. Whether you want to clean up your profile or just reset your timeline, here's how to do it. Let's start with the manual way. First, go to your Twitter profile, scroll through your timeline, and look for retweets. When you find one, click the retweet icon below the post. It'll turn green if it's a retweet. Then select Undo Retweet. That's it. But let's be honest. If you've retweeted hundreds or thousands of posts over time, doing this one by one is nearly impossible. That's why I use Circleboom Twitter to delete all my retweets in just a few clicks. Let me walk you through how it works. First, I log into my Circleboom Dashboard. On the left-hand menu, I go to Essential Toolbox, Delete Tools, and click on Delete Tweets. Once all my tweets load, I click the Filter Options button above the list. Here's the key part. Under Post Type, I select Retweets and uncheck everything else. Then, I hit Apply Filters. Now I'm only looking at retweets, no replies, no original posts. Once I've reviewed the list, I just click Delete All Filtered at the top. A confirmation message pops up. I click Delete Tweets, and boom, all my retweets are gone. No endless scrolling, no manual unretweeting. Circleboom makes it clean, fast, and super efficient. And since it's an official X partner, it's 100% safe to use. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more smart Twitter cleanup tips. Happy Circlebooming!